Alright, man, so what's good, YouTube? Look, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got the dreads. Hold on, look, it been like a good, hold on, bro, before I even get to that shit, bro, what's good with y'all, man? Y'all niggas being straight, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see we outside in the sun, it's early in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Niggas gotta get the sun, bro. Y'all niggas need to get out here and get the sun. Y'all see this? Y'all see the melanin, whatever the fuck, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see this shit? Y'all see the skin? But look, y'all need to get y'all ass out here, but what this video really about is the dreadhead community. I'm a part of the dreadhead gang, you feel me? Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Grind don't stop. So I've been doing this for a good minute. Walking out here, you know what I'm saying, hitting the track and shit. But look, yeah, this video really is about my dreads. Been a few days and I had my first little starter locks, probably like what's today? Today, May 11th, May 12th. I had that shit, I think it was like May 6th or something like that. I don't know, I think it only been a week, you know what I'm saying? These hoes already kind of fucked up. My hair already frizzing up. I got a lot of new growth already. I'm gonna show y'all pictures of what it looked like when I first got it. But this is what it is look like now.
Bro, buddy, everything's about to piss, buddy. Everything's about to piss me off.
Right now I'm just outside and shit. You know what I'm saying? Just outside. But, yep, this the length right now. You know what I'm saying? This the length right now. You feel me? I don't know how this shit gonna go. I might cut it off, I might not. I don't know. I don't know how long I'm finna keep this shit, but we gonna see. But so far I'm fucking with it. I ain't gonna cap. I'm fucking with the dreads. Just cause the nigga being low-key hitting these hoes. I don't know. Y'all ain't been fucking with niggas, but y'all been on this bitch. I don't know. I don't think I posted with it, but I had freeforms. You know what I'm saying? I had freeforms like twice and I cut them hoes. Cause it was on accidents. But this time, getting the dreads for sure. On purpose. You hear me? But you know what I'm saying? We doing the video a little different today. You know what I'm saying? We outside with it. I'm gonna start trying to do a lot of videos outside. Or I'm just talking to y'all and shit about shit. You know what I'm saying? On some regular shit, just like y'all, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm just chilling with y'all, you feel me? You ain't gotta always be like on some videos type shit. But yeah, videos definitely still coming though. Y'all let me know what kind of video ideas y'all want. I'm really still deciding on what I want to do. I might just say fucking just do whatever, you know what I mean? Just like fucking do whatever, but yeah, basically I'll be doing a lot of more dread videos though. A lot of more dread videos, a lot of more other videos. This is just not gonna be no dread channel though. So I know some of y'all gonna motherfucking come just for me dreading and shit. And nah, bro. Nah. Shit don't go like that. Shit don't go like that. Shit not gonna be a dread channel, you know what I'm saying? I'm not no hair channel, nigga. You want hair tips? Fucking go to Sally's or whatever your nearest barbershop, or your nearest, not barbershop, but your nearest, go this way. Your nearest, hair salon shop, nigga. They know everything about hair. I know a little something for my hair, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? But nah, for real though, I can help though. I was gonna go that way. It's a tone machine. That motherfucker make too much noise though. Hopefully y'all can hear me though. But yeah though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a little my products I use and shit that I do with my shit. Once it get a little longer and shit. I'm just getting started though. But yeah. Y'all let me know what y'all think. A lot of people been saying I should get them hoes. But yeah, I don't know how often I should do these videos though. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how often I should hit these hoes. I don't even know what's the update. Probably every time I get a retwist, so I just update y'all. Or not every time I get a retwist, but like every 2 weeks or some shit. I don't know. Whenever some shit, the dread fall out or something, I don't know, nigga. Nah, but for real though, I'm gonna fuck with y'all niggas though.